Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered why the Indian Constitution is so detailed and unique, here's a secret. It's a global masterpiece, borrowing the best ideas from around the world. Let's break down the major sources that shaped our Constitution. First up, the British Constitution. Since India was under British rule for almost 2 centuries, it's no surprise we inherited their parliamentary system of government, the concept of rule of law, legislative procedures, single citizenship, and even the office of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Plus, those powerful writs that help enforce our fundamental rights? Yup, straight from Britain. As John Locke once said, where there is no law, there is no freedom. Next, the United States. Our framers admired American ideals of liberty and judicial independence. That's why we have fundamental rights in Part 3, an independent judiciary, and the power of judicial review. Even the impeachment of the president and the post of vice president come from their model. Remember, the liberties of none are safe unless the liberties of all are protected. From Canada, we adopted the federal system, but with a strong centre. That's why the centre holds residuary powers and appoints state governors. The Supreme Court's advisory jurisdiction? Thank Canada for that. Now Ireland. Their constitution inspired our directive principles of state policy, those big social and economic goals for our government. The way we elect our president and nominate members to the Rajya Sabha? That's Irish too. Australia gave us the concurrent list, freedom of trade and commerce, and ways to resolve deadlocks in parliament, like joint sittings. From Germany's Weimar Constitution, we borrowed emergency provisions. Yes, even the suspension of fundamental rights during crises. The USSR inspired our fundamental duties and those big ideals in our Preamble: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Japan influenced our concept of procedure established by law, which forms the bedrock of Article 21, the right to life. So the Indian Constitution isn't just a book of laws. It's a living document, rooted in Indian realities, but enriched by global wisdom. In the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we have not borrowed blindly, but with a great deal of discretion. And that's what makes our Constitution truly remarkable. Thanks for tuning in.